Wait lang, anak. I will not get done pa. Ano ba yan?
Invite mo na rin.
I'm still, I'm gonna, ano po, mix it. Mix, mix, mix. Pati ka pa kumuha ng pinggan mo, girl.
Me?
No, ano pa kung patata.
Ala!
Sarap.
Sarap.
Sarap kanin.
Huh? What do you call this?
Sarap.
What's this?
Pancit.
What's this? Pancit. What kind of pancit is this?
Labok.
Yeah. You going to eat it?
Yes, I love it.
Yes, I know.
Can I eat it?
Oh, sarap lang.
How about I just like this?
Yes.
But don't put it over here.
Why?
Because I might eat it and I will make suka.
Why?
But I don't like that food.
Which one? Ah,
This one.
of course not that one. Get a plate for, get a new plate for yourself. Ay, wala pala na.
Bibig ka sa'yo. Saan na lang? Bibig ka lang. Dito mo lang ikot nila eh. Wala ka pa pakalimut sa akin. No, give it to Sarah. All of it. Put it here. I didn't say.
Go on, eat na ikaw.
Yes.
You okay with that na?
Yes, I'm okay.
Okay.
I'm okay with that.
Oo.
More.
You want more?
Yes.
Ayan. Hindi itong isang naghahain ng... Finish this one
More.
first. Look, look, wow.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you more.